Chapter 7 Overcoming Obstacles. Chapter 7 is called Overcoming Obstacles. In this chapter, Robert Kiyosaki explains that many people understand the ideas in the book, but they still do not become wealthy. The reason is that they face obstacles that stop them from taking actions. Rich Dad teaches Robert that financial success is not only about knowledge, it is also about mindset, habits, and behavior. According to Kiyosaki, there are 5 major obstacles that prevent people from becoming rich. First, fear. Second, cynicism. Third, laziness. Fourth, bad habits. Fifth, arrogance. The chapter explains each obstacles and now people can overcome it. First, fear. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles to financial success. Many people are afraid of losing money because of this fear. They avoid investing, starting business, or trying new opportunities. Rich Dad explained that everyone experiences fear, even successful investors sometimes lose money. The difference is that successful people do not let fear control them. They understand that mistakes and losses are part of learning. Rich Dad teaches that people should learn from failures instead of being defeated by them. If someone never takes any risk, they may miss valuable opportunities. Second, cynicism. The second obstacle is cynicism. Cynical people often focus only on problems. When they hear about an opportunity, they immediately think about everything that could go wrong. For example, if someone talks about investing in real estate, a cynical person may say the market is too risky, you will lose money, it will never work. Rich Dad believes that counting is important, but excessive negativity can prevent people from seeing opportunities. Successful people study both risks and possibilities. They gather information and make decisions based on facts instead of fear. Third, laziness. The third obstacle is laziness. Rich Dad explained that laziness is not always about doing nothing. Sometimes people appear busy all day, but avoid the things that truly matter. For example, someone may spend hours watching televisions, checking social media, or worrying about small tasks while ignoring important financial goals. Rich Dad encourages people to make time for learning, investing, and personal growth. Successful people often prioritize activities that improve their futures. They ask themselves important questions. How can I improve? What new skill can I learn? What opportunity should I explore? These questions help them stay focused. For bad habits, the fourth uh, obstacle is bad habits. Rich dad believes that financial success often depends on daily habits. Small habits repeated over many years can have a big impact. For example, some people spend all their money as soon as they receive it. Others save and invest part of their paycheck. Over time, the difference becomes very large. Rich dad teaches Robert to pay himself first. This means setting aside money for saving and investments before spending money on unnecessary purchases. Developing good financing habits can help people build wealth gradually. Fifth, arrogance. The fifth obstacle is arrogance. Rich dad defines arrogance as thinking you already know everything. Some people refuse to learn because they believe they are already experts. As a result, they stop growing. Rich dad teaches that successful people remain curious. They continue reading, studying, asking questions, learning from others. No matter how much knowledge a person has, there is also always something new to learn. Humility allows people to improve. The importance of taking actions. One of the most important messages in chapter 7 is that knowledge alone is not enough. Many people read books about money but never apply what they learn. Rich just says that action creates results. People must be willing to learn new skills, make mistakes, take calculated risks, continue improving. Without action, even the best financing education has little value.